How to register Telegram without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can register Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to register on Telegram without a phone number, the very first thing you have to understand is that if you open up Telegram and then you try to start the messaging option, the very first thing it asks you to do is to simply enter your phone number. Bottom line is you can't create or register for Telegram without phone number, but just in case you don't maybe have a real phone number for some particular reason but you would still like to use Telegram, in that case the only way you can do that is using a virtual phone number. So there are many virtual websites available out there that is going to provide you this free virtual phone numbers. Some of them are legal and some of them are also a paid service, but you might get many of them for free. You can search them up, which I'm not going to discuss in depth on this particular video, which you can use to start using Telegram from. You don't need to have a real phone number to start using Telegram. So hope this video helped to clear your confusion. If you have got any more queries, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.